Hi, and thank you for clicking my channel, HFT by Jude Chua. I am so excited to share with you three of my life's passion: health, fitness, and technology. That's why HFT in the title of the channel. So before I begin, I'd like to introduce to you myself. So my name is Jude Chua. I am the CEO of Datalink Technologies Incorporated. So it's a computer shop here in Bacolod City that deals with your digital lifestyle gadgets. So we sell computers, software, services, we do repairs and maintenance, and also we do develop software for your needs. So my educational background, so I graduated management engineering, and after that I took up nursing. So I'm currently a Philippine registered nurse and a US registered nurse. Non-practicing though. I'm also a professional diploma holder of nutrition and sports nutrition from Chua Academy in the UK with an EQF level 5. I am currently also an American Sports and Fitness Association indoor cycling class certified instructor. I am also an Animal Flow Level 1 and Level 2 certified instructor. So I just passed my Animal Flow Level 2 this morning, August 31, 2020, very fresh. That's why I'm so happy today to share with you this achievement. I'm an enthusiast of bodyweight training, calisthenics, and of course, tattoos. My life verse is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So what's going to happen in this channel? So basically, we will be dealing with health, fitness, and technology. So I am very open to any suggestions or recommendations. So don't forget or don't hesitate to comment down below, and I will be reading all your comments. And if I find any topic that I am capable of discussing, then I will do a video on it. But if you have a topic that I know I'm not capable of it, then I might find some resource person so that we can address the topic that you want discussed. So I am very open to that. Again, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell. Join me in this journey as we explore health, fitness,